Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow travelers. Olix here, and today I want to take a look at our Watch Gang Black tier subscription for the month of October 2018. Quick wrist check. I am wearing the Chronologia Trekker, which was our Watch Gang Black tier subscription for September of 2018. It's carbon fiber, automatic, and pretty much looks like a dartboard. That's what I've decided. Review on this guy will be coming hopefully this weekend, if we can get to that. So let's get into this package and take a look. Opening duties today by the Essie's Zenkudo by Bark River Knives. Really nice piece. Super strong detent. And we're just going to go straight to the side. And we got our October letter here. A little cake. I believe that's due to their birthday. And there you go. Yep, all the different posters they've had over 2 years. Yeah, 2-year birthday. So there you go. Kind of cool. Happy birthday, Watch Gang. And let's see what's inside. And we got a blacklist. All right. Very nice. Okay. So, got a little sleeve here. Pop that guy off. And we got a bagged box. Pretty hard box. Let's see. Find that open in here. I'm pretty excited. Let's take a look at what we got in this blacklist. Pull tab. Oh, it's kind of a rubberized texture. Pull the tab, and there we go. So we've got our warranty card in a little sleeve, and it's actually filled out. A nice rare treat. We got some silicone to enjoy, and we've got the blacklist. So pop this guy out. Wow, it's heavy. Definitely heavy. So we still got all the plastic on it. I will pop that off in a second, but we definitely have some solid links. Interesting sunburst pattern on a gray dial and a little blue accent on that second hand. Let me go ahead and get all the plastic off, and then we'll take a deeper look. Alright, we got all the plastic off, and I've zoomed you guys in so you can get a better look. Kind of twist it around for you here. So gray sunburst, blue second hand. I will tell you, my quality control detector has been triggered because that second hand does not line up, and that is a serious pet peeve of mine. Good quality control requires, especially on a quartz, and this is obviously a quartz, that you line that daggum second hand up, and they did not, so that bugs me. Solid links on the bracelet, which is good. Makes it very, very heavy. I do think the bracelet's considerably longer than most are, so you guys, longer wrist or longer circumference on your wrist, that may work good for you. Pretty standard buckle. We've got branded with the B, branded crown, and let me tell you guys, not a stitch of polish on this thing, except for just a touch here on the crown. They have brushed every daggum surface on this watch, minus the case back for some reason. I don't know why they felt the need to polish that and nothing else. It does tend to make the watch look a little bit plain, I gotta say. That gray dial, with the stainless, not loving that. Not it's just not a good color combination to my way of seeing it. Some guys will like that, but it just doesn't work for me. I will say stainless steel is not my preference with Watch Gang. Actually, there are 4 preferences you can pick from. This watch misses 3 of mine, so it only hit on 1. So it's, I'm already, to be fair, going in with a little bit of a bias because it doesn't meet, most of my preferences. We'll try to hold the bias out and give it a fair shake. We will wear it, of course, as we do with all watches, and a full review will come out toward the middle of next month as we get go into our November subscription. It does say Swiss movement down here at the 6 o'clock, so it's probably running, just guessing, an ETA or an ETA Swiss quartz movement. Really disappointed they didn't get that second hand lined up. That's just such a trigger for me. I know it's a little thing, doesn't bother a lot of folks, but boy, it does bug me. If you're going to put minute indices around the outside here, that's in the really long second hand like that, where it's almost touching those indices, it needs to line up, and if it doesn't, it just looks squirrely, and it's just something, every time I look down I see it, and it's just going to drive me bonkers. I'll take a look online and see if I can find some instructions on, maybe there's a way to adjust that. Probably not, but maybe. Decent smooth moving hands. No complications whatsoever, so no date, no anything like that. It's a pretty simplistic watch. Again, quartz, no auto here. It does look like it is serialized. Kind of a cheap watch to be serialized, but okay. Thin glass, that's just plain old glass. That's mineral crystal at best. Nothing fancy there. No sapphire, no K1 or anything like that. That's thin too, so don't treat it badly. It's not gonna hold up for you. And I tell you guys, this thing has some heft to it. Serious weight. And again, a lot of that's in these extra links. It is quite large. You guys with the larger wrists, that's going to work out for you. So, yeah, check that out. It's huge. Let's pop this on that scale. Yeah, 6.7, man. That is some weight. That is a serious uber chunky monkey. I've got watches quite a bit larger that weigh less. So let's get this on the wrist real quick. We'll set him down. We'll get the Chronologia tracker off. And I will try to get the review out on this guy. I'm ready to do it. I just haven't made the time to do it yet. We'll try to get that out this weekend. And get this guy. Now it's going to be very loose because we haven't sized it. But we'll get a good chance to see how many 100 extra links are on this thing. Holy cripes. I have a 7 wrist, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, look at that. Holy crap. I wonder it weighs so much. Put 9 extra links on the thing. Yeah, so you guys with like an 8 or a 9 wrist, you're probably going to be fine with this guy. So I know there's harder for you guys to find watches, so there you go. The Blacklist may be a good choice for you. It doesn't look bad on the wrist, to be honest. Even the gray, I'm not a big fan of that gray. I actually like the color. I just don't think it goes well with the stainless. I think there's too much gray, too much silver altogether. Put a different strap on here, it might look better. Nice leather strap, something like that. But yeah, I don't think I will. I don't really want to invest any time or money on this piece. I'm not a big fan of that. Second hand is gonna just bug me. So, but it does look good on the wrist. So there you go, guys. I think I can actually slide it off without undoing it. Yep. So there you go. The Blacklist. What is it? Streetmatic. Our Watch Gang black tier subscription for the month of October 2018. According to WatchGang, valued between 150 and 500 bucks. First glance, I'm gonna doubt that, but we'll take a look at our full review and see where it stacks up after it's had some wrist time. After I've got to know it a little bit better. I would definitely want to give everybody a fair shake, and I want to spend some time with this guy and see how he really holds up. But that's going to do it for today. Sure do appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me, as always. And until next time, y'all get out there and make some noise. See ya.